Here comes a Corvette. Clouds up there. Here comes a Corvette. A little racing fun there. Couldn't tell if I got a finger or a thumbs up. Wasn't sure. Is he turning? Nope. I didn't even pin it there, and I probably could have dropped it down to second. I'm not sure. I don't even remember how fast I was going, to be honest, but the sky. It's beautiful looking. Very nice. Dang, it is like actually really crazy looking. I do need some gas. I like that new I changed the performance shift indicator where it's kind of the lights meeting like that. It's pretty cool looking. All right, turn right here on the service road. I'm ready to get a new exhaust. I know this track one sounds decent, but it's too like, I don't know. It's too not Corsa Extreme. That's, Corsa Extreme is what I'm wanting, and this is so not that. And not even just the volume, just like, it's the tone, the pitch, you know, just the Corsa is just so like exotic and raspy sounding. It's amazing, you know. That exhaust is on another level. I need to get that in this car ASAP style. This dude not gonna get over. Ooh, new TV. Very sketchy, like held down by some bungee cords. Man, that sun, those clouds. It's really cool with the sun coming through like that. Look at that. Wow. You don't see that every day. Yeah, you do. Alignment is back out. My steering wheel seems to be cranked. Don't do it! Pay attention, homie. Playing with her. Just playing with her. Person was walking in the middle of the street. Oh my god. I think I got 20/20. That truck didn't even really let me back over. I know I was going, but dang. What the hell was that? What are you doing? You cannot walk in a street like that. Especially, that's a service road to a highway. Oh. Man, some people. Come on. Go! Well, that did not go like I planned it. I hate going under a U-turn and you just want to rip it and people can't decide where they're going. And it makes me look like an idiot. It's all right. All right, gas. We need gas. That's where we're headed. Dang, there's not much room to see right there. They just recently finished all this. This used to be a mess. It still kind of is a mess. Look at that. Look at it though. So nice looking. All right, gotta get some gas. I'll be right back. All right, and we're back.